And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the progress tag. It can be used to represent the completion of a task, and it gives you one of these typical progress bars. Usually you'll create a label for it first. I'll just name this example of a progress bar. And afterwards you add your progress tags opening and closing. If we reload it, we can already see the bar. It's animated by default, so if we don't add values, it's going to look like this. I'll add a line break. So the example of a progress bar text is our label, and the bar below is the progress. You can add information in between, but it's not going to be visible in the browser. But it's still a good idea to add the value right here. Example for other coders, search engines, screen readers. Let me add the max. It won't change anything for now, but if I add the value, it uses it in relation to the max. So 15 with a max of 100 would be %. What you also want to do is to add the for and the ID. So we need the ID attribute in our progress and the for in our label, and now they're connected. But once again, this doesn't change anything in our browser display. So it's the same for our text here in between the progress. Still add at least the value in between. And this is how you can use the progress tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.